from Fray Fitness. Let's see how it comes out. First time purchasing from them. Like the other pictures, some reviews were awesome, so let's hope it's good. First box, guys. So here it is, guys. Full outside. Starting to do the process. The material, it looks pretty good. Pretty thick, as you can tell. Heads up, guys, when you look for your screws, they all look the same, but there's 4 of them that are longer. They're used for the little, where you're gonna put the bar. So guys, this happened, we have to put a bar together for the screws. So if you guys put it together, make sure to put this together. Otherwise you'll be screwing it again. So far so good. The Fray Fitness squat rack, pretty good, pretty solid, pretty nice thickness. We just need to weights to test it out. New toy over here. New squat rack, guys. The Fray Fitness E. A new cable machine. Garage gym coming out good.